Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can go about building your squeeze page. A squeeze page is one of the best ways to build your list, and it doesn't take very long to create one using OptimizePress, which you'll need to have already installed. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, log into the WordPress dashboard of your website. On the left-hand column, hover over OptimizePress and then select Create New Page. As you can see, OptimizePress has already prepared a few shortcuts for you here, or you can just scroll down here to look at some of the available templates. Now, we want to focus on opt-in/landing pages. Now, you can scroll through here to find a template which works best with the squeeze page you have in mind. Great thing here is that all of these templates are very customizable, so if you picked a template that didn't have video, it's still really easy for you to add a video to your squeeze page, but we'll talk about that later. So for now, I'm just going to select this template here by clicking on Use this template. Now you want to name your page. For now, I'm going to just type in Test Squeeze Page. And over here, you can customize the URL for your squeeze page. For now, I'll just leave it as this. And then hit Create Page. This is the OptimizePress Live Editor. You can now customize your squeeze page based off the template that you've chosen. And as you can see, I've chosen a really simple squeeze page template here. I have this quote section up here, followed by my headline and my opt-in box. To edit an element, hover over it and you'll see these 5 buttons. Clicking on the pencil icon will allow you to edit the element, but we'll talk about this in a little bit. Clicking on this next button will create a duplicate of the element, like so. The gear icon allows you to tweak advanced element settings, so if we click on this now, you'll see some options here, but if you're just starting out, you'll probably not want to play around with these options yet. And you can move elements around your page by just selecting and dragging this button here. Just like that. And if you want to delete an element, just click on the rightmost button. And on this pop-up, select OK. Now moving on, let's just say that you want to edit an element. Say you'd like to edit the text over here. What you want to do is click on the pencil icon and this box will pop up. So here you can change the text to whatever you want. There are a lot of formatting options here as well, so you're not limited in any way. This is how you can tweak an element. It's really easy to do. Before, I showed you how you can add other elements to your squeeze page. I want to spend some time talking about this, your opt-in box. This is one of the most important elements that you can have on your squeeze page. I'm going to click here so we can edit this. On this page, if we click the back button, you can select a new template for your opt-in box if you like. And of course, all these are customizable as well. So I'm going to leave it as it is now and select this one. Now, on this page, I want you to select Submit button. If you click here, you'll see that you have the option to use a default button, create a new button, or upload a button image that you've prepared beforehand. You can also edit the text of your button here, and then click on the Content tab. You can also edit the privacy notice if you like, and what it says in the email and name fields. These two tabs are pretty straightforward, but it's this last tab, the Form HTML, which I want to focus on. If you have an autoresponder account such as Aweber or GetResponse, you can create a web form there. Now, to integrate your autoresponder with this opt-in box on your Squeeze page, you want to copy the HTML link into this portion here. This is really important because if you don't set this up, it's going to be hard for you to get those valuable leads. Okay, now that that's out of the way, I'm going to show you how you can add extra elements to your Squeeze page. You want to select an Add Element button like this one. Or if you don't see one, click on Add Row, which will then allow you to click on an Add Element button. On this page, you can scroll through this list to find an element you'd like to add. There are a lot of options. This two-column text is something you can use to highlight features and benefits. You can add an audio player. A bullet list is good for features and benefits too. Countdown timers, pop-ups, whatever you like. For now, I'm going to type in countdown timer, and I'll click on that. Here, you can choose the style of the countdown timer that you'd like to use, so pick one. I'll just go with this one. So here, you can further refine your countdown timer. You can edit the time zone and specify when the timer is counting down to. You can even add a redirect URL for when the timer runs out if you want to. And when you're done, select Insert. And there, our timer is up and running. So it's really easy to build a Squeeze page. Once you've customized all this, just hit Save and Close. Now, you want to just test that your Squeeze page is up and running, so let's do that now. On your dashboard, select All Pages. Then find the page again and select Preview. And there, you can see that our timer is working. You may also want to try opting in with a dummy email, just to make sure your opt-in form is working as well. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching.